paving company. You can see over there they are doing milling work. They already paved the asphalt for the road. And, the third party or the city inspector, they check there's a regulation and not good positive slope, so they came back to tear it out and milling work, and then they will pave it. You can see the paving machine is there. So they did milling for that road and then the main road over there. So they marked it with the red paint, and then now they are milling. A lot of work. They started today morning early. Okay. And over there you can see the surveyor, third party, is checking the total station. His helper, he took a shot on the top of the catch basin, top of each catch basin to check the drain, and then they measure. They're using the tape measurement to check the depth for the bottom of the catch basin, the concrete structure. Okay. Like they pave a little bit here in the middle, here and here, and there in the middle they put more asphalt to correct the slope. And as I said, the third party, they checked the location for each plant, for each tree. Like each tree, the location, make sure it's matching drawing. Drain, slope, elevation, and everything. Here they are doing some seed planting. You can see this guy, he has some seeds. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.